Hello, elder law and estate planning attorney Vinny Casiano here. I've been practicing in the area of estates and trusts, trust and estate litigation, conservatorships, financial elder abuse for quite some time now, over 20 years. And I often help people that are having a dispute over the administration of an estate or trust. And I often get the question, Vinny, how much is this going to cost me? How much are you going to charge me to do this? And the answer is, I have no idea at that point what it's going to cost. I really don't, because I don't know what the other side is going to do. I don't know what the underlying documents say. I don't know what claims you have. I don't know what defenses the other side has, right? But what I will tell you is that as a general rule, it's not going to be inexpensive, right? And part of the decision that needs to be made by people is it worth spending money to figure out where you're going? Well, if you're not willing to spend any money at all to figure out whether you have a good case or not, then it's probably going to be, you probably should just forget about it and just say it's not worth it, because emotionally there's a cost as well as the financial cost, and you have to figure that in. As a general rule, it's going to cost you anywhere from a minimum of $5,000, depending on what's at stake, to $20,000 for an initial retainer just to get the case going. And then there's expenses and fees that are going to go on after that. It's not uncommon in trust and estate litigation for the attorney fees to be upwards $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, $200,000, again, depending on what's at stake. Obviously, if there's only $500,000 at stake, then it'll be lower. But there are plenty of estates and trusts that I've been involved in where there's been multi-million dollars. And the different attorneys of all the different parties, those clients are paying those attorneys a fair amount of money. You have to get an attorney that understands this area and is going to be candid with you about the expenses. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or text me at 619-800-6820.